The swallows fly all the way from Africa to Somerset. They come to take advantage of the long daylight feeding hours of the European summer, usually making landfall in April. They fly 8,000 miles, catching flies and insects which they eat on the wing, and they've been making this journey for thousands of years. Last year they were late, and by the end of April we were worried. And then one day we caught sight of them, flying high, drifting on the warm air currents, and after a few days they were really here. Ducking and diving in the yard, looking for a place to build their nests, finally settling under the eaves above the taxi. Tiny babies poked their heads out, mouths wide, constantly waiting for food. And the swallows multiplied. 3 became 6, 8, 11, 15, 19, 20, until the air was full of swallow chatter. And in a year when we couldn't travel, we loved their company.
The swallows soon are leaving, to a distant land they'll fly. I want to journey with them, but must travel in my mind. Don't go, my own true love, don't leave me here alone. Swallows gone, but soon return and make again their home. I feel your parting deeply as you leave for a new sunrise. I'll keep my eyes open, and with wings someday I'll fly. Don't go, my own true love, don't leave me here alone. Swallows gone, but will return and make again their home. Remind me of the things I've lost and what I've yet to find. I want to journey with them, but I'll travel in my mind. Don't go, my own true love, don't leave me here alone. Swallows gone, but soon return and make again their home.